Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how to change your email on X account. So let's get started. So open your X app, and then on the top left corner you will see your profile ID. Just tap on that, and from here you'll see settings and support at the bottom. Open that, and then settings and privacy. Tap on that. And now at the very top you will see your account. Just tap on that, and from here you will see account information, so tap on that. Now this will open your account's information including your email, so just tap on your email and it will ask you your password. So let me put my password quickly. Okay, so once you put your password in, you will see this option that this is your current email, and if you want to change your email, put in your new email address. And of course, once you put your email address, it will verify your new email through a code and your email will be changed. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.